A very good morning to all. My name is Nishant. I am from Team Trident, and today Team Trident is here to share some views regarding our business plan we named as Desire of Fire. So, as we all know, the major part of our forests gets destroyed each and every year because of the fires caused due to the shredded and dry leaves over there, and most of the times the fire is occurred due to the pine leaves because pine leaves are the most combustible in nature. So our plan is to simply sign up an agreement with our government so that we can collect all those shredded pine leaves from the forest areas and collect them into a warehouse or factory where we can compress them in the form of blocks or bricks, which can be further used as a combustion fuel in so many industries instead of other combustion fuels like coal, petroleum, and gases. This would be the great initiative to save our forests as well as our other resources as well. And with this, I would like to introduce the second member of Team Trident, Angrish Chandan, and he will share the benefits or advantages of this project.
Thank you, Nishant. Further, I'm gonna talk about the advantages derived from this project. The first and the foremost advantages is that it will reduce the harm caused by the pine leaves when it comes to fire in the forest. Second, it will increase the employment because lot of manpower is needed when it comes to collection and transportation of the pine leaves to the warehouse or a factory. Third one, it will save our money as we are paying to import the crude oil from the other countries. Fourth one, we will be less dependent on the other country when it comes to combustion fuel. And the fifth, the last but not the least, is that we can use that resources for other purposes which we are previously using for the combustion fuel. So now I'll pass my presentation to my friend Amritesh. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Chandan. Now I will continue. Some of the questions that comes in your mind while listening about this project are: first one, after burning the gas release will be the harmful. Second one, what will you do of the remaining after the usage of the leaf blocks? Third one, as leaves get decomposed and act as a fertilizer, what will happen to the forest if you collect the leaves? So, we would like to say that the gas leaves will be the harmful, and the gas leaves by the pine leaves while lying on the ground does not have a much difference, and the smoke produced by the burning of the leaves can be stored in a container and can be used in laboratory for many experiments, and the ashes for the remaining after burning can be used as a fertilizer as well as that we can use in this forest again. With this, you would not be harmful our environment as well.
Thank you, Chandan, and thank you, Amritesh. So, with all these details, we can conclude that there are so many benefits or advantages of this project, and we are not harming our nature or our environment. So, with all these details, we as Team Trident are resting our voice here. So, thank you so much, and have a great day ahead.